A month ago, I recorded a video about my broken Peak Design Sling 5-liter V1. It took me a while to send it for repair/swap, and turns out that in Poland I just need proof of purchase for warranty claim, no need to register the bug. But this might be tricky because receipts tend to fade after 1 to 2 years, and I bought my bag more than 4 years ago. But the proof of the bank transaction was enough because I paid with my debit. Got a new Sling 6-liter V2 3 days later, but I already own one, this one. They unfortunately do not have inventory of V1 bags anymore, so I asked them if I could get something else and pointed my finger at the large Photocube V2. Unfortunately, they were out of this one too. The demand for new cubes seems to be so high that they do not have them yet in service inventory. They propose a large cube V1, but since this one is now cheaper than my original purchase, I asked if it's possible to throw in some random packing cube. They agreed, and that way I have large camera cube V1 and small packing cube V1. Large cube fits like a glove into my Pelican 1560, and I can at last have my socks and boxers tidy in my suitcase. Win-win situation, although I still miss my Sling V1. I think I'm going to search for one in the depths of the internet. Nevertheless, the PD warranty in Poland works like a charm, highly recommended. Mr. Daniel from Sansa, Polish distributor of PD, did a great job, and both PD and Sansa have another happy customer. Why is it a big deal? Because there are still companies around the world that always try to make your warranty claim invalid. By the way, I have a warranty claim opened with Nanlite this week because the quality of the velcros in my PavoSlim 240C softbox is just tragic. They fall apart. Let's see how well they will handle it. That's it, and cheers, mate!